Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to disable ATM withdrawals on your HDFC Bank credit card. Open your favorite browser. Go to hdfcbank.com. Now click on the login button at the top right corner of the page. Select Net Banking from the drop-down menu. You will be navigated to Net Banking login page. Enter your customer ID or user ID. Click on Continue. Now enter your password. Click Login. You are logged into your HDFC Bank Internet Banking account. In the top menu bar, hover your mouse over Pay. Under the Card section, click on Credit Cards from the drop-down menu. You will be directed to Your Credit Cards page, where all the credit cards linked to your account are displayed. Click the arrow button next to your preferred credit card. You will be taken to Credit Card Summary page. On this page, locate the section called Limits and Restrictions. Click on the Customize link next to it. You will be navigated to a page where you can customize your daily limits and restrictions. On this page, you can find two sections, Domestic and International. Under each section, you can customize various options. Ensure that both domestic and international usage are enabled. To disable ATM withdrawals, toggle the button next to ATM withdrawal to turn it off. After making your changes, click the Confirm button. That's it, your changes has been applied. This is how you can disable ATM withdrawals on your HDFC Bank credit card. Thank you for watching.